If you're wondering how to scrape website images using Browse AI, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to use Browse AI for this task and show you why it's such a game changer for anyone looking to automate the process of extracting images from websites. Browse AI makes it incredibly easy to scrape website images with its powerful no-code interface, so you don't need to be a developer to get started. You can start scraping website images today for free by clicking the first link below, where we've also got some exclusive bonuses just for you. Now, let's get into how Browse AI works and why it's an ideal tool for this job. First, what's really great about Browse AI is its intuitive platform. You can set up scraping tasks in minutes. You don't need to write any complex code. Everything is drag and drop. All you have to do is choose the website you want to scrape, select the images you want to capture, and Browse AI will handle the rest. Once you've logged into Browse AI, creating your first robot to scrape images is a breeze. You'll use a browser-like interface that mimics what you'd normally do manually. But here's the magic. Browse AI automates those actions for you. To scrape images, simply choose the elements on the web page that you want to capture. If you want to grab all images on a page, Browse AI can detect them for you automatically, so you don't have to manually select each one. You can even customize the scrape to target specific images, like only extracting product images or images in certain categories. This is perfect for anyone who needs to collect images from multiple pages or across entire websites. Browse AI allows you to set up multi-page scraping, so you can get all the images you need without having to manually click through every single page. A key benefit of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic content. Many websites use JavaScript or other techniques to load images only after the page has loaded. With Browse AI's advanced scraping capabilities, you won't miss any of those images. When you're finished setting up your robot, you can run it to start collecting images. Browse AI will automatically extract and download the images in the format you choose, whether you want them in a zip file or even pushed directly to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. The platform is highly scalable, so if you need to scrape a huge number of images, you can easily set up multiple scraping tasks to run simultaneously. And don't worry about scraping large sites, Browse AI can handle it. For those of you who are new to web scraping or automation, Browse AI's user-friendly design is a huge advantage. Even if you've never scraped a website before, you'll find the entire process seamless and stress-free. Before we wrap up, here's something you don't want to miss. At the end of this video, I'll mention how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial of Browse AI. This will give you extra time to test out the software and see just how effective it is at scraping website images. Make sure you check the first link below for more details and to start using Browse AI for free. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever scraped images manually.